Yeah, so there it is, people, all finished. Another nice bathroom. Today's Friday. Into my next bathroom Monday. See how the linear drains come out? Bloody gorgeous. Yeah, I like it. When Chris puts the screen up there on that line where my boot is, it'll come out a metre, 1200. Bloody beauty. Alright, I'm just finishing my cleaning up and I'm off for the weekend. See ya. You can learn to tile like this. Follow my channel and I will teach you. This is Chris O. Keep leaning on in. It's just the beginning. See ya.